You can love him or hate him, but you can't ignore him. That's how Stark made it official that everyone's least favorite human torpedo will be racing for them aboard their electric bike in the 2025 World Supercross campaign. Obviously, this means he is leaving the Moto Concepts Honda squad, and you have to think that their PR people have never been happier. There is nothing better for Christmas that they can probably be given than the news right here that they're not going to have to worry about anything he does for all of their socials or their team. It's just going to be quiet. And for them, it's going to be probably pretty nice considering he's raced for them in 22, 23, and 24 and hasn't really done all that much for them. Uh, he can finished third in 22 and two back-to-back fourth place finishes in 23 and 24. And now he's going to be racing the newly allowed electric bike. And who knows where this is going to go. I don't think he has a Supercross deal for next year or for, American Supercross at least. Who knows about Arena Cross, which he did end up winning the title this year against all odds. I don't know how anybody let him win, but we're going to have to see how this goes. I mean, obviously, it's a very different bike. It's going to be a very fun thing to see how this works compared to or racing against ICE bikes and how he's going to do on it. Whether he's going to be just a literal human torpedo that's going to be silent now. I mean, there's still that little bit of a whir that an electric motor makes, but you're not going to hear that over, the exhaust of the other bikes going around, especially in stadiums and whatever. And so you won't be able to see him or hear him coming when he just decides to take you out now. But it's going to be interesting to see how well the bike does compared to the others, how well the rule sets work, if it's super dominant or completely non-competitive, who knows, and how well he does on it and how long people last before those things start getting broken with some revenge takeouts. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good move for the team. Would you just wish that he would go away? Do you even care about World Supercross at this point with how many problems they've had? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.